If you're a contractor and your tax bill shocked you this year, keep watching. Most contractors I work with are overpaying the IRS by $20,000 to $100,000 every single year. Not because they're doing anything wrong, but because nobody ever showed them how to legally keep more of their money. I'm Maya Slivkov, certified tax strategist and founder of the bookkeeping company. I've spent nearly 10 years helping contractors legally reduce their taxes by tens of thousands of dollars. That's why I created the Contractor Tax Toolbox. 7 legal strategies your CPA probably never mentioned, including S-Corp election and family payroll. The Augusta rule and hidden write-offs most contractors are completely missing. This is real. It is time to start keeping more of the money you earn. One of my clients was facing $69,000 in taxes. We found $65,000 in savings. Another saved $230,000 on $730,000 in income. Real contractors, real results in every trade, every day. Inside the bundle you get the complete strategy guide, 5 printable worksheets, and a hidden deductions finder with 36 deductions. A business health scorecard, a tax planning checklist, and a free online tax savings calculator. And you get everything, the complete bundle, for just $47. One time. Instant access. No subscription. Click the link below right now and let's start keeping your money where it belongs, in your pocket.